Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Marlena Bielak and I represent the Department of Philology at Stanisława Staszica University of Applied Sciences in Piła, Poland. I specialize in the field of applied linguistics and I'm a fan of the English language. Why? I love it as it allows me to communicate with different people in the whole world. And I think this is the reason why many people learn the English language. They learn it to talk to people abroad and to learn about different foreign cultures. I personally love visiting various countries, observing their cultures and learning about them. I think it is cultural diversity that makes our life interesting. That is why I'm going to tell you about the Amazon today. Have you ever heard about the crested guan or about heliconias? Can you describe the relationship that exists between the Amazon and oxygen, or between the Amazon and carbon dioxide? This lecture will present this type of information. The Amazon. When I start thinking about the Amazon in South America, what comes to my mind is the largest and most diverse tropical rainforest on our planet. It's huge. It covers an area of 5.5 million square kilometers. The Amazon rainforest, or the Amazon jungle, is often called the lungs of the world, as it recycles carbon dioxide into oxygen. The rainforest, due to its immense biodiversity and size, provides more than 20% of the oxygen supply of the Earth. The climate of the Amazon rainforest is really unusual. It is hot and humid. Its average temperature is 27 degrees. There are no seasons. There is no summer, autumn, winter, or spring. There is just one season with a lot of rain. The Amazon jungle also constitutes the most diverse ecosystem on our planet. For example, the Amazon rainforest is famous for tens of thousands of plants. Have you heard about heliconias? Heliconia rostrata is a plant with red and yellow flowers that look like a hanging lobster claw, and the plant is known as the symbol of Brazil. Have you heard about capex trees? Capex trees are huge. Their trees produce creamy white or pale pink flowers. Their flowers open during the night. The flowers emit an unpleasant smell which attracts bats. The fruits of capex trees have the form of light green, woody and smooth pods with 200 brown seeds. The seed pods look fluffy. They are filled with fluffy, yellowish fibers. The Amazon rainforest is also home to numerous bird species. The bird that appeals to me is the crested guan. I like both its name and appearance. It is large and similar to a turkey. It has a small head, long strong red legs, and a long broad tail. It is mainly dark brown, but with white spots on the neck and breast. The head has got a bushy crest, from which the species gets its name. Blue-grey bare skin around the eye and a bare red dewlap. In the Amazon rainforest, you can meet beautiful parrots. Parrots that are native to the Amazon jungle are macaws. They are beautiful as their plumage is colorful and bright. They are social birds. They usually travel in flocks that consist of around 10 to 30 birds. And something important, they are loyal to their lifelong mates. Their beaks are very strong. They can easily crack nuts and seeds. Some macaws can even imitate elements of human speech. People love speaking parrots. In the Amazon jungle, we can also find the world's largest collection of animal species. I'm fond of the sloth, as it is exceedingly unusual. It is extremely slow. The sloth is slow-paced in everything it does. It hardly moves. It can sleep for 10 hours a day and move only when necessary. The primary diet of the sloth is generally only leaves, which are chewed by its tongue, which is 10 to 12 inches long. It can take its body the whole month to digest the food it has eaten. Therefore, it is not surprising that 2/3 of the whole body of the sloth is made up of the contents of its stomach. And one more interesting fact about the sloth. It has a low body temperature, only 86 degrees Fahrenheit, that is, only 30 degrees Celsius. A famous inhabitant of the Amazon River is the Amazon River dolphin. It is either gray and pink or pink, and it can grow larger than humans. Its distinct color is thought to be due to its blood capillaries situated near the surface of its skin. There are a lot of animal species found in the Amazon rainforest, but remember, some of them are really dangerous. Be careful of the jaguar. The jaguar is well adapted to kill. It is the third largest big cat species after the tiger and the lion. The diet of the jaguar is extremely wide. It is based on at least 87 species. Although the diet of the jaguar does not include humans, it is quite easy for the jaguar to kill a human being, even an adult one. When you're in the Amazon rainforest, watch out for the Black Cayman, which is the Amazon rainforest crocodile. The Black Cayman lives in the slow-flowing rivers, lakes, and seasonally flooded savannas of the Amazon basin. It is considered the biggest predator of the Amazon jungle. The Black Cayman feeds on a large number of birds, reptiles, fish, and mammals. It can also attack humans. Between January 2008 and October 2013, Black Caymans attacked 43 people. Around 1/5 of the above attacks were fatal, which may be very alarming. In Amazonian rivers, you can find electric eels. The electric eel is in fact not a true eel. It is a knife fish, which can deliver a massive electric shock to those who threaten it. They can produce electric shocks that can stun or kill. The eels make use of their electricity to stun prey before they eat it. Killing people is rare, but not completely non-existent. An attack by an electric eel could make a human stop breathing and drown, even in shallow water. Many shocks could definitely lead to respiratory failure in humans. There have been cases where electric eels have delivered shocks strong enough to kill horses and have even stunned an adult caiman. In Amazonian rivers, you can also find piranhas, which are infamous for their razor-sharp teeth and very strong jaws. The piranha is capable of biting through all flesh, including that of humans. Piranhas are notorious for biting and injuring people and eating their flesh. To exemplify, in 2015, a girl's body was found in one of Brazilian rivers, and her body was partly eaten by piranhas. According to the story circulating among the local people, the girl was in a boat with her grandmother and other children. There was a storm and the boat capsized. Up till now, it is not known whether the girl was killed by piranhas or whether they fed on her after she had drowned. Similar cases have occurred elsewhere. But remember, people are capable of getting piranhas under control. Humans had piranha dishes on their tables. They produce weapons and tools making use of piranha teeth and bones. The Amazon jungle is sometimes not safe for other reasons as well. You can catch malaria or yellow fever there. As you see, the Amazon rainforest, because of its biodiversity, is really interesting. But the problem is, it is in danger. It is in danger because of deforestation, that is, turning forested areas into the non-forested ones. Too many trees are being cut down. The process of deforestation is sometimes implemented by the use of fire. That is, fire is used to make way, basically, for agriculture. This method is generally illegal, but the enforcement of environmental protection can be lax. Since the Amazon rainforests are cut down, burned, and converted into farmlands, the natural habitats of the Amazon jungle change. We must remember that the deforestation of the Amazon rainforest, implemented in any way, has an impact on our planet as a whole, because the Amazon jungle plays a very important role in cleaning the air we breathe. It sucks up the global emission of carbon dioxide from such things as power stations, planes, or cars. In consequence, without the Amazon rainforest, which plays the role of the green jungle of the world, we will face the rise in the effects of global warming. That is why every time you breathe the air in, think about the oxygen produced by the Amazon rainforest and the oxygen produced by other forests as well. Remember, forests can't disappear. Protect them. The sources that have been used to prepare the presentation include Amazon, The Lungs of Our Planet by BBC, pl.wikipedia.org wiki klimat równikowy, softschools.com facts, plants, Cape tree facts, en.wikipedia.org wiki 2019 Amazon rainforest wildfires, www.worldatlas.com articles What is the biggest threat to the Amazon rainforest. Thank you very much for your attention.